This automatic fiber laser welding machine includes power system, laser system, operating system and cooling system. Suitable for customization and can be customized according to customer requirements. Meet the requirements of every customer in battery, hardware, kitchenware, crafts and other industries. Welding speed is faster than traditional optics fiber laser welding machine. Good laser beam, high-speed welding, good welding effect. The high working ability makes it widely applied in battery industry. Smooth welding spot, beautiful welding seam, no porosity, higher strength, toughness exceeds the original metal material. The equipment has high reliability and can be processed continuously and stably for 24 hours. The compact design ensures the smallest footprint and is easy to move.